What's going on, everybody? Good afternoon. Happy Wednesday. So today I've got a Freightliner DD15. Only has 420 something thousand miles on it. Came in for a valve adjustment and a few other things. Did a quick little relative compression test, and we found out that the number 4 was 0 compression. So take it apart, start looking at a few things. Found out that on the intake, okay, so this is going to be your number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. I'm going to show you guys what we found. Okay, see where my finger's at? That little adjusting screw, the little tappet is completely gone. It was broken in half. This one is actually good. I'm thinking, all right, well, maybe just that tappet needs to get replaced. So there's our little replacement tappet. Fast forward, we're going to come over here now. We're going to take a quick look and then check this out, guys. This is what we found. Unfortunately, not the news I want to give the customer, but so again, you're going to have number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. If you're going to look closely, I know it doesn't really show it there, so I'm going to get some kind of straight edge or something like that, but you're going to notice the intake, the valves on the number 4 itself specifically. This one is actually lower than this one. This one's higher. Okay, so this is, and if you just want to quickly compare it to, like, let's say here, the number 3. Okay, these are both at the same height. Okay, same height, same height, same height, blah blah blah. Number 4, this one is higher. So that tells me that this valve is no good, and this valve is now pushing inside the cylinder head. It's pushing up. It's completely worn out. It needs to get replaced. So basically this whole cylinder head's got to come out, and it's got to go from there, guys. So unfortunately, it's never just something simple and quick. It should be something simple and quick. I should say it never is. But I just want to show you this. So I know this isn't really a straight edge, but I just kind of want to show you guys for comparison. You can see, look at that. Sits nice, right? You're like, okay, cool, that's number 3. And let's put this over here to number 4. And you're gonna see, look at the difference. So yeah, unfortunately, I gotta give the customer the bad news that he's gonna need a new cylinder head. And again, with only 422,000 miles, you know, it's kind of disappointing on the Detroit side, man. I don't understand why it would do something like that or what would cause it. According to the customer, he's been on top of his maintenance, and he does use a lot of good quality products. So I do believe him when he says that he uses good quality stuff. AMSOIL oil, got the filters, so a lot of quality stuff goes into this guy's truck. Unfortunately, this is the outcome of something going on, maybe defective from the get-go. I don't know, guys. So anyway, which again should have been something pretty quick, get this guy in and out, has now turned into putting an estimate together for a cylinder head. So anyway, again, not the news anyone ever wants to hear, especially not in these times right now where things are a little tough. So I'll keep you guys posted, but I just want to show you guys that. Alrighty, guys, we are back, and here is the DD15 with the valve issue that I mentioned. Again, this is the one from the same video where the number 4 was having some compression issues. Let me back it up a little bit here. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're definitely going to inspect the liners. I don't think we should have any issues with the liners. I'm going to double check protrusion, which I don't think is going to be an issue. However, here we go. This is a cylinder head. We do have an exhaust leak here. It looks like it might be coming from the EGR valve on the manifold itself. I'm not worried about that. Let me just quickly turn this around. Everybody say hi to Chavo. Chavo, saludos. Don't forget Carlos, say hi to Carlos. All right, guys, so this is the number 4 that we're looking at again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take a look. You're gonna see the height difference here. I'm gonna try to go underneath so you can take a look. Kind of be a weird angle. It's gonna be, here we go. This is the one there. I'm gonna try to, there we go. I don't know if you can get a good picture of that, but that valve is really in there. Compare that to the one on the right, compare the one on that side. So definitely caught this in the nick of time. You can kind of see the height difference on these. But anyway, cylinder head's gonna get replaced. But I just wanna show you guys, if you're doing the valve adjustment and you see something like that, stop and take a really good look. You might be in some trouble. I would recommend get the cylinder head replaced, get it looked at. If you guys have any questions, as always, so give us a call, hit us up, and we'll go from there. Guys, have a great day. Guys, here is a better view of what we're talking about. So here's the bottom of the cylinder head, DD15. A lot of them are all going to be DD13, DD15, same thing. So number 4, here's the intake. I don't know if you can see how much more this is recessed. See how far this is sitting inside? Compare that to this one here on the left. Compare that to the number 5. So you're gonna see the difference, number 5, number 6. There you go, guys. So now you know